Alright, so we have the knife tool and the bisect tool next. So we can just click on our mesh anywhere. We can cut. Right. We can press enter to drop it, and then we can just get over a point and slice from point to point. Right. Now we can also bisect it or cut along a plane. So if we're in an orthographic viewport, we can select bisect. Let's say we want to cut here. Okay, so here's how it works. Let's actually do this. If we left mouse button click and draw, right, we have to have a selection made. So we select everything. We can click and draw our angle, but we can press space bar and we can move that around, right? So let's say I want to chop off that. I just let go of my mouse button. And then over here, I can either hit clear outer or clear inner. And it'll be open because I don't have fill on. So if we turn fill on, right? Right? That's pretty much it for bisect.